exhibitor here. One of my favorite ones, if I do say so myself. So Curtis, tell me a little bit about some of these vehicles you have. What are they made out of? Are they custom made? Show us some details here.
A lot of them are just basically you can buy out of the box. A couple of them I do custom work too, but mostly it's all out of box. I like to build a little bit of everything. I mean, I built planes and stuff, and I've got like Gundams and stuff.
Oh yeah.
I build just a little bit of about everything. Usually, a lot of times I'll do like what they call box art, whatever the art is on the box. And that's what I copy with a lot of them.
Well, this is it's a hot rod cement mixer. That's very cool. So I'm big into trucks. That's what I specialize in. Why don't you grab that Mac here and show us a little bit about some of the features of that?
Oh yeah, he left. Well, you want to sit here. If you want to get a closer view up that way, I can move. These two trucks belong to Kevin Bellinger. He was here, and he had to go. He had to leave early. It's just a lot of these are like, well, I guess sort of box stock too. He likes to do the big trucks. It's like I built a couple myself. These are easier the smaller ones are easier to put on a shelf than the bigger ones are.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a lot of the stuff. His are basically like box stock too. I mean, it's a lot more to build. Like this one, he did full blown interior and stuff.
Here's the cab too that you can sit on top of it.
Because it's got wooden floor in it and everything.
That's incredible. So let's go around on this side here. And go ahead and take a look at this low boy that we have. What is this? A Chevrolet? Yeah, it's a Chevrolet. Nice dozer blade up on top of it. Now, what scale are these models?
124, 125.
Okay.
A lot of the times they're mostly 124th, 125th scale. They're usually pretty good somewhere in there.
Wow.
I would say this cab here is probably a 25th scale, or 24th. This one would be 25th. They're just a little bit different on them.
Well, as we say in the north, tell me about this wicked looking model. What is this thing here?
The guy that built that is Rockney Riddlebacher. He wasn't feeling good, so he left earlier. It was his inspiration for that is the Mad Max Fury Road, and that's his interpretation of the war rig.
That looks incredible. What are these Volkswagen Beetles on top of the cab?
Actually, it's a 37. The one on the back is a Volkswagen Beetle.
Okay.
That's a 40 Ford, I think, or 37 Ford.
It's like it's got like a front loader mechanism on the front of it too.
Yeah, it's got the plow that they dig in to put the fire out on it.
Oh, that's awesome. So how can somebody get in contact with you? See more of these models? And
we are at Cincinnati Scale Auto Replica.
Cincinnati Scale Auto Replica?
Cincinnati Auto Replica.
Cincinnati Auto Replica. We do one major show a year. We're in the Cincinnati area. The same website is CincinnatiAutoReplicas.org, and you can get any information on there. We do contests. We put on we meet once a month. We have a contest every other month and a theme every other month. So we have in-house contests here in the Cincinnati area, and that's you can get on the website, and we put all the cars that we have in our shows on the website too. So all that's on the website. So if you're into building cars, if you want to come down, that's where we do.
Thank you for this. Well, down here I'm with Rob, and these are his babies. So why don't you tell me a little bit about what you have here, Rob?
I have old cars and old trucks.
Old cars and old trucks.
Yeah. Well, I got a '56 Volkswagen. That's probably the newest vehicle I've got here. Mostly I do stuff from before World War II.
Gotcha.
Sometimes I stretch it to the end of the flathead era, which would be the old 50s.
Early 50s.
But for the most part, I like older stuff. And I like detailing. And
I've noticed that. There's opening here on the boat. You can see the different gear shift knobs that are in here that look wicked. I think they look great. So this is also around 124 to 125 scale?
yeah, I call it half inch.
Half inch.
Yeah, half inch scale.
Half inch scale.
Like garden railroads.
Hey, it makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys again so much. We appreciate your time.
Sure, I'm glad we could do it.